Welcome to the Management Functions and Organizational Processes lesson on staffing and directing. By the end of the video, you will learn about staffing, characteristics of staffing, training and development, and directing. In any organization, the true backbone isn't just the technology or the products, but the people who work tirelessly behind the scenes. Today, we delve deep into the realms of staffing and directing, to pivotal management functions that ensure the right people are in the right places, doing the right things, at the right time. These are not mere processes but the lifeline that sustains and propels an organization forward. By nurturing talent and guiding it effectively, we set the stage for success and innovation. Let's begin with staffing, the process of hiring qualified candidates for specific positions within an organization. It's not just about filling vacancies but about finding the perfect match for each role. Imagine staffing as matchmaking, where both the organization and the employee are looking for their ideal counterpart. This process ensures that the organization is well equipped with a workforce that is not just competent but also aligned with its goals and culture. It's about creating a symbiotic relationship where both parties grow and thrive. Staffing starts with identifying the need for a new hire, followed by attracting candidates, selecting the best fit, and finally integrating them into the organization. Each step is crucial, akin to building the foundation of a skyscraper. If one block is misplaced, the entire structure risks instability. From job postings to interviews and orientation, each step is a building block towards creating a workforce that embodies the organization's values and vision. Now, onto the essence of staffing functions: procuring qualified personnel, promoting optimal application of human resources, enhancing job satisfaction, and ensuring organizational growth. These functions are not just tasks but commitments to the future of both the employees and the organization. It's a strategic process that aims at harnessing the full potential of human resources to drive organizational success. The importance of staffing cannot be overstated. It's the key to efficient performance, optimal use of technology, and, most importantly, constructing a work environment that fosters growth and satisfaction among employees. Through efficient staffing, organizations can build a team that is not just qualified but also motivated and committed to achieving the collective goals. Shifting gears to directing, it's the heartbeat of management, ensuring the organization's objectives are met through guidance, motivation, and leadership. Directing isn't just about giving orders, it's about inspiring action and fostering a culture of achievement. It's the managerial function that brings plans to life, turning strategy into action and visions into reality. Key elements of directing include supervision, where managers oversee work and provide feedback, motivation, which propels employees to reach their full potential, leadership, the art of influencing others towards a common goal, and communication, the bridge that connects every member of the organization. These elements work in harmony to create an environment where goals are achieved through collaborative effort. Effective directing ensures that every action taken aligns with the organization's goals, making it a continuous and pervasive function across all levels. It's what transforms plans into performance, turning the gears of progress every day. Without effective directing, even the best-laid plans can falter, underscoring the importance of leadership in achieving organizational success. As we navigate through the principles of directing, remember that the ultimate aim is to harmonize individual contributions with organizational objectives. This alignment is crucial for fostering an environment where innovation thrives and goals are met with enthusiasm and precision. Directing is about steering the organizational ship towards its destination, overcoming challenges, and seizing opportunities along the way. Directing is not just a managerial task but a responsibility to mentor, inspire, and lead by example. It's about recognizing the unique contributions of each employee and leveraging them towards the collective success of the organization. Effective directing cultivates a culture of respect, encouragement, and continuous learning where every member of the team feels valued and empowered to contribute their best. That's all we had for this lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.